back, Uday.
In fact, more breaking news now coming in this hour as well. A Bengaluru Special Court for Economic Offences reserved its decision on the bail plea of Kannada actress Ranya Rao, who was arrested in a gold smuggling case. The court is expected to pronounce its judgment on March 14th. During the bail hearing, senior advocate Kiran Javali, representing Rao, argued that officials from the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence failed to follow proper legal procedures during arrest and interrogation. Javali contended the arrest memo issued at the time did not explicitly state the grounds of arrest as required by the Supreme Court's guidelines in the DK Basu case. Further assertion was that such procedural lapses justify granting of bail regardless of the gravity of allegations. Opposing the bail plea, though, the DRI legal team highlighted the seriousness of the charges against Rao, alleging her involvement in a significant gold smuggling operation. They also argued that granting a bail could hinder ongoing investigation and potentially lead to tampering of evidence or influencing of witnesses. Well, Belly Thomas is joining us once again for more on this story. Belly, what has transpired in the court hearing, and when do we expect the order to be pronounced?
Uday, the counsel for Ranya Rao argued before the court that her offence of this particular gold smuggling can, if convicted, can fetch her around 7 years of imprisonment, and that is not a they argued to the court that that is not a heinous case as such. And then there was also procedural lapses in her arrest proceedings. While there was only 3 people mentioned in the arrest memo, it was only Ranya Rao who was taken into custody and was questioned by the DRI officials on March 3rd when she was apprehended at the Bengaluru International Airport. So, along with that, they also told the counsel for Ranya Rao, Kiran Gawali, told that she being a woman, she deserves, or she's entitled for a bail, and that was from Ranya Rao's side of argument to the court. While DRI said that they filed objections to the bail petition filed by Ranya Rao's counsel, stating that it is this particular case is of national risking national security, and she has to be in custody because once she is given bail, then there are umpteen chances that she would be destroying evidences or causing trying to make witnesses hostile.
Yes, in fact, so Vikram Singh, former DGP Uttar Pradesh, is also joining us now live. Vikram Singh, your, of course, comment on this case. The court has reserved its order on Ranya Rao's bail plea. Meanwhile, interestingly, the Karnataka government has withdrawn its decision with a CID order into alleged police misuse of privileges.
Good morning, Mr. Singh. I would say that I have 2 things. The very fact that the CID inquiry has been withdrawn and no deterrent action has been taken till now indicates in which direction the wind is blowing. And I'm extremely shocked and sorry to say that. Number 2, the defense counsel's statement that the DK Basu case is invoked, he should have known better. I would say that the ingredients of the DK Basu case have been incorporated in the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, the successor to the Criminal Procedure Code. And if, in the opinion of the investigator, there needs to be handcuffing with the due provisions in the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, that can be done. Let us not live in an illusion. Ms. Rao is a serial offender. This matter pertains to national security, and also the complicity of the security staff. I've never seen this kind of brazen misuse of authority, that a constable enters the safe area and the sanitized area and escorts a person who is charged of serial offences. I would say that the course correction and the remedial measures should have been taken, and exemplary punishment should have been given to the DGP who is alleged to have been providing this kind of unnecessary, illegal and illegitimate support system to the daughter. There should be exemplary punishment irrespective of the rank. We have all worn the uniform, and we take pains to ensure that no exceptions are ever made. I would say that yes, the judgment has been reserved, but the soft peddling that seems to be obvious, well, that was best avoided.
Absolutely. Ellen Rao, former DCP Delhi, also joins us now. Ellen Rao, your reaction to, of course, this Karnataka government decision. It's, of course, being looked at with eyebrows raised. Do you believe there could possibly be police involvement? How did Ranya Rao go undetected for so long?
Good morning, Uday, and happy Holi to all of your viewers. And no doubt, this is a serious case. I have heard Sri Vikram Singh ji, and he is absolutely right in that case. But a clear brazen by the police on the protocol of this services to be provided at the airport on receiving these packs. These are definitely raising eyebrows that how this protocol was had violated all the conditions, and that person has been entered in that area where he should not have been. That it seems that there was some pressure or some influence from the police officers, because Ranya Rao's father is serving DGP of Bengaluru, Karnataka, and that's why it could have been possible that he might have misused his position also. But so far as the bail of Ranya Rao is concerned, the order has been reserved, and keeping on all the seriousness of this case, and it reflects the national security as well as the loss to the exchequer of the government of India, being Custom Department and DRI is taking care of this investigation. All possible efforts are being made to connect all the possible evidences against Ranya Rao. Then I think that after completion of the investigation, then only then the final outcome of the investigation will be revealed to the media and others. And as of now, let us see what is the outcome of the bail order which has been reserved by the learned trial judge. We have to wait and watch, but no doubt the allegations are serious, and so many other rules have been flouted. And I also agree that the DK Basu's instructions or directions of the Honorable Supreme Court have been incorporated in BNSSS, and then that DRI has taken all care of that, all these instructions. And I know the DRI cannot do such a mistake that they have not followed these instructions
Yes.
of the Basu judgment.
Yes, in fact, more breaking news now coming in. In a latest update coming in the Pune rape case, the Shivaji Nagar court in Pune has remanded Dattatreya Ramdas